are tracking some relief from the heat this evening because there is a bit of rain falling across the area. As these showers pass overhead, the temperature drops about 10 to 20 degrees. And thankfully, we're starting to see some of those showers pushing off across the plains where temperatures reached well into the triple digits this afternoon. There's a cluster of storms just to the south and west of La Junta. Zooming out a bit, and you'll notice that this is just one area of storms along a line that extends across the plains. This line has been continually pushing toward the south and east as we have taken you through the afternoon and now into the evening. This is all associated with the cold front that's continuing to push through. That cooler air is going to wait until overnight tonight before it starts to push in. Then you'll notice that as that cooler air arrives right around 11 o'clock midnight, we'll start to see a few more showers popping up late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Most of these storms are going to take place along the Palmer Divide out across the plains. We're not going to see much in the way of rain around Colorado Springs and certainly not looking for a lot south of Highway 50. But there is a chance for a few scattered showers out there tonight along the Palmer Divide and along the I-70 corridor. We'll have to watch that into early tomorrow morning. We'll start off with clouds, though, for most on your Tuesday morning. And temperatures tonight are not going to reflect the cooler air that's moving in just yet. 50s and 60s for overnight lows. But check out your high temperatures tomorrow. 70s and 80s are looking a lot more comfortable than the 90s and triple digits we had out there today. So it should be a much nicer day to spend some time outside. Just know if you're spending time outside during the afternoon, we get another round of thunderstorms that pops up. During the late morning hours, they'll develop over the mountains, and then through the mid-afternoon, that's when we'll start to see those storms making a break for the plains. We have those areas of yellow popping up. That's Skycast's way of suggesting we could see some storms capable of producing heavy rain. So tomorrow afternoon, we will have to very closely monitor the burn scars across the state. We'll keep the storms around through the evening hours, and then after the sun sets, we should see a lot of that activity winding down. The cool air doesn't stick around for long, so enjoy it while it lasts, because Wednesday we're back in the mid to upper 80s. We'll keep those temperatures around through the first part of the weekend, then we'll drop the temperature on Sunday. We'll also increase the chance for storms. You'll notice, though, each and every afternoon, just like clockwork, we're expecting those afternoon thunderstorms to develop over the mountains and then push toward the east. This is just the time of year where that's the pattern that we'll see. We'll keep that in place pretty much through the end of July and into August, rather. Pueblo 81 degrees tomorrow. We'll hit 90s again on Wednesday. We'll dry things out for Pueblo Thursday, Friday. But then into the weekend, the chance for thunderstorms will return. Sunday looking to be the cooler of the two weekend days. Canyon City, 80 degrees tomorrow. We'll warm the temperature up by about 10 degrees on Wednesday. 30% chance for storms both days. We'll taper off that storm chance Thursday, Friday, but we'll bump it back up just in time for the weekend. Teller County, 68 degrees tomorrow. We'll hit 74 on Wednesday. Temperatures in the upper 70s Thursday, mid 70s through Saturday, low 70s on Sunday. Storms each and every day, a possibility.
Keep an eye on that flood danger there.
Absolutely. It's nice to see the water. We certainly need it, but just not everywhere needs to see the heavy rain.
Exactly. Thanks, Rachel.
They're also getting ready for that over in Manitou Springs. Warning sirens blared there today. No emergency, though.
The city was testing its